Hello again, everybody. It's Eric Bowman, Community Relations Director at Heartland Wellness Center. It's been a while since we've talked. I did a video probably when we first started doing our videos way back in maybe May. And a lot has changed at Heartland since that time. I have grown into my position. I've learned a lot more about what we do here at Heartland, and it's really an honor to be able to come before you again in a short video, just to kind of explain a little bit more about what my role is. So you might be asking, what does community relations mean? What do you do, Eric? What are you here for? So I am basically the bridge between Heartland Wellness Center and the community. And the community covers a wide arrangements of many things. And I'm responsible to make sure that people are aware of what we do here. So in my original video, I spoke about how there was a lack of knowledge of, when I was working at the jail, and there was a lack of knowledge with the parents. They might have needed assistance, but they didn't really know how to get that assistance. So now I know a lot more about that, and I'm able to give them that assistance. So that's what we're kind of here for. And that's kind of what I do. So I'm out there. I'm not a person that just sits around waiting. I will bring the information directly to you. So our department that covers our media, they have put together a couple of these great brochures, which I'll show you right here. One for behavioral health, and then this is one for addiction. So we have these brochures along with one of my business cards and a little bit of information. If you have any questions, I'll come directly to you. So you don't have to wait. You don't have to wonder what we do. Even though we have a lot of ways to contact us, you can give us a call. You can check out our website, our Facebook. You can check out our YouTube. And there's many ways to get in touch with us. But I want to come to you. I want to come out there to you. And I want to be able to share these pamphlets with you, because we had these made not for us to keep in the office, but we want you to have these. So the addiction treatment pamphlet, it starts off on the front. I'll just read just a little bit of it. It says, "One size does not fit all. Finding and practicing a unique and individualized path can make the difference between temporarily quitting and truly experiencing life change." So that is kind of what we're about. That's just a little bit about what you're going to do. And it's all about change. It's all about connection. And it's all about your recovery and what we can do to assist you in that. So that's our recovery side. Now, we also have behavioral health. And a lot of people may not have known we have behavioral health, because at one point in time, we were called Heartland Recovery Center. But we do have recovery and we have behavioral health. So here's a nice flyer that was put together by our media department, and then I'll read a little bit about that one as well. It says, behavioral health involves working on your mind, your body, and your spirit. All our systems work in harmony when they are aligned. At Heartland Wellness Center, we work with our clients to align themselves to achieve their maximum potential. And that's what we are about. So definitely get you one of these flyers. And how do I get that, Eric? How do I get that? So you can call. You can give us a call here. Let us know where your business is, and I'll come straight to you and give it to you. Or I'm usually out in the community, so I'll just kind of go around, and it's really no wrong place to disseminate our information. And we're not just giving out information, soliciting business. We really want to see recovery. We want to see change. And there's a great need. Everybody knows that during COVID season, a lot has happened. A lot of people were out of work. A lot of businesses were closing. A lot of people were kind of shut in. Kids weren't going to school. And I'm sure that created a very stressful environment. And what happened is not a lot of people, but some people did choose a path of addiction, and maybe not choosing addiction, but that's kind of what it turned into. So we're kind of here to let you know that, hey, there's another way to achieve success and be sober doing it. And we have many ways of doing that. So you might see me kind of anywhere, and it's not always in an environment that is conducive to addiction recovery. So just as an example, I was just at the hunt and gather at the Lake County Fairgrounds. So we had a table set up. We had our flyers out there, and we were in the midst of that, and we were just reaching out to people, letting them know that we're here for you, we're ready to serve you, we do anything that we can to make sure that you maintain your sobriety. And we were also giving out these wonderful mala beads, these bracelets, and they're free. You might pay anywhere else. I don't know what they would cost, but Heartland gives them to you free, because this is our connection to you. This is how you're in our circle. So we give you the mala beads, we give you the information, and then all you have to do, the only part left for you to do, is give us a call. Give us a call. Reach out to us. Let us know what's going on. We work with hospitals. We work with the court system. We work with attorneys. We work with the EAP programs and a number of different entities to gain recovery. In addition to that, we also have some clients that come in that might need a little bit further assistance. So we actually collaborate with other treatment facilities that are inpatient, because everybody knows Heartland is an outpatient facility. So we do have inpatient treatment facilities that we do collaborate with, that we trust, that we can assign you to, or we can recommend to you, refer you to, so that you can get the detox that you may need, and you may get some recovery going there. So when you come back here, you're medically clear and you're medically sound, and you can have a great experience here. So when you get here, all you have to do is come in here, bring your notebooks, your information, have an open mind, and just be prepared to experience what Heartland is all about. So that's kind of where you'll see me. I'm here. You can call. You might catch me on the phone, and a lot of times community relations is also answering the phone. So I may answer the phone sometimes, and a lot of people are just going through the phone book or going through the internet and trying to find a place to go for their recovery. And sometimes they stumble across Heartland. Hey, I don't know what this is. Let me just call. So it's very important when we answer the phone that you have that kind voice, that you have someone that's interested in what you have to say, and you have a good chance of recovering. We want to bring you in. So we're here, we're ready, and we really want to help. So I think that everyone should give us a call. I think that everyone should give themselves a chance. And this holiday season, give yourselves the gift of wellness, and call us at Heartland Wellness Center. And if you don't see me here at Heartland, it's because I'm out there looking for you. I want to give you some information. I want to come to you. So give us a call. If you have a business that would like a tour of Heartland, give me a call, and I'll schedule it for you. You come in, you can take a tour of our facility, our great facility, and we'll do a lot of great things together. A couple of other things. A great thing that we offer here is our family night, and family night is on Thursdays from 6 to 7, and that is the opportunity for our clients and their families, their loved ones, to get together and kind of sit in the same room and kind of get a feel of what the client is being taught. So we have two great therapists that give a great presentation every week. We have an opportunity for you, the family members, the loved ones, to ask questions. We have a red box that we sit out there, and it's an anonymous box. So if you have a question, hey, this is something that I would like to know more about, you can write it on a card, or you drop it in the box. You don't have to put your name on it or anything. We'll get it, we'll receive it, we'll put it in our database, and then I assure you that issue or that question will be addressed at one of our family nights. And lastly, although there are many things, I definitely would like to speak on a job that I definitely am proud to have. I am the liaison of our alumni, our Heartland Heartbeats alumni. And now, for those of you who don't know what the Heartland Heartbeats alumni are, they are our residents, former residents that have gone through our program, that have been through our PHP program, our IOP program, our OP program, and they've come together, and I'm telling you, they are absolutely fantastic. They get together, they have their own meetings, they discuss things, and they really give back to the community. They are really grateful for their sobriety, and they want to continue to connect. And that's what we are all about at Heartland. They want to continue to connect and stay connected. So give us a call, Heartland Wellness Center, and let us be your venue for addiction, recovery, and behavioral health. Thank you, everybody.